Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshara Akshita 2023 channel. In this video, I am going to explain about CPT coding guidelines for myomectomy 5th series. So this is part 4. So actually I have CPT books 2023, CPT, ICD and 150 questions and 150 mock questions, then all coding guidelines, all chapter wise coding guidelines and everything in PDF format. So these materials available. Those who are wants to buy, you can buy with very low cost. So those who are interested, you can take course with me. So there is an online course available. So those who are interested, please mail to this mail ID. Okay. Those who are not subscribe my channels, please subscribe my channel, press bell button, then only you will get all my future videos as a notifications. Okay, so in myomectomy, first we need to look for the approach. What is the approach of this CPT, this procedure? So there are three types of approach. So based on these three type of approach, we have the CPT code. So definitely, as I told you in coding tips, please check 4 options description first. So differentiate what are those 4 options and read questions accordingly. So when you check these 4 options, definitely they will confuse with the approach. So one option will be abdominal approach, another options will be vaginal approach. So approach we identified, but again they will confuse with the two CPT code, because each approach we have two different type of CPT. So I will explain you what are those difference. So for abdominal approach, vaginal approach, laparoscopy approach, there are 3 approach we have in myomectomy procedure. Okay, so each procedure we have 2 types. One is 2 grams, myomos grams, 250 or less, or 1 to 4 myomos. This is one code, 158140, and 58146 is for greater than 250 grams. Then vaginal approach 5 or more, 58145 we have. So based on the approach and number of the myomos, and finally total weight of myomos 250 grams or less. Okay, these 3 things you need to look from your question. It's not only in CPC exams, they will we will get frequently in surgery coding also this procedure. So usually for all women they will get myomos. So maximum surgeries it's happen. So in coding field also we get this procedures, and CPC also they will ask from this. So whenever whatever you are taking any questions, please first check the options, read the descriptions, 4 options descriptions, differentiate what is the difference between 4, and read the question accordingly. But if you are reading questions first, taking time to reading questions and understanding the questions, then you are going to the options, means definitely your time will get waste. So your time will go. So don't do like that. Please try with this and try that also. Whichever options you feel it's easy, you can go with that options, but I feel this option will be more saving your time. Okay, so what we saw based on the approach and grams, then based on the number of the myomos, we have the CPT codes. So then laparoscopy also same method only. There are 2 codes. One code is for 250 or less grams, and another code is for 5 or more myomos and greater than 250 grams. So based on this point only, you need to look from your questions. The next, exclude procedures. What is the exclude procedures? So exclude procedure means when doctor is performing two procedures, that means two procedure we should not code together. What are those procedure means? If doctor is performing myomectomy along with the hysterectomy, so myomectomy we should not report separately with hysterectomy procedure. We need to code only hysterectomy procedure. Okay, this is the only one guidelines in this part. And exclude we need to check, and coding part we need to check the approach and grams, then number of the myoma. Okay. Okay, we have selected correct CPT code based on our documentation and guidelines. So what will be the ICD code? So uterus fibroids, there will be the three type of ICD codes based on the types, sites, and that intramural fibroids and submucosal fibroids, then subserosal fibroids. Based on these three type, we need to select correct ICD code. Okay, because in one options definitely they will confuse with the unspecified uterus fibroid. So read questions thoroughly and select the correct fibroids types. Either it is intramural, submucosal, subserosal fibroid. Okay, and this is the description of the 58140. So so each code description they have given the in the bracket, do not code this code with that code. That means hysterectomy should not code with the myomectomy. Okay, only we have to code hysterectomy procedure. Okay, that's all about the myomectomy procedure. If you have any doubt, please comment, not only in this sections. So what I didn't upload previously. So if you have doubt in other coding guidelines or any ICD, you can comment always. I will reply you. And if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then in next video I'm going to share you of the series part 5, maybe female reproductive systems, that is hysterectomy or any delivery part or abortions. These are the three topics that's pending. So please follow my channel, and I can upload you. Sorry to tell this, but I don't have time to prepare videos. So I can upload each week's one topic only. So those who are want to learn very fast, you can join us our course. Okay, okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.